Hello students, today we will learn the chapter 13, simple past tense and past and present perfect tense. Okay, here you have to mark your answer. Ask your partner this question and take their response. Did you go out with your friend last night? Yes, I went with my friend last night. No, I didn't go with my friend last night. Okay. Have you traveled by train? Yes, I have traveled by train. No, I haven't traveled by train. Has your friend given you a birthday card? Yes, she has given me a birthday card. No, she hasn't given me birthday card. Okay, now see. In this above question, we use the simple past tense to indicate the action that happened in the past and are not going on now. Okay, in the past simple past tense, what I have told in the previous chapter, that in the simple past tense, the action which has been done in the past, but the work is not doing right now. The simple and the present perfect tense is used to make a connection between the past and the present. But in the present perfect tense, there isn't some connections between past tense and present. Okay, it is used to indicate action that started sometime in the past and are still going on. Means in the present perfect tense means that the action has been started in the past and the work is still going on now. Okay. Simple past tense. We use the simple past tense to talk about action that happened in the past and are not going now. In the simple past tense means that the actions that had happened in the past but not going now. Okay. See the example. Mother baked a cake last week. Okay, means last week mother has baked a cake. Yesterday afternoon I went to the zoo. Means yesterday afternoon I have went to the zoo. Okay, now see. Present perfect tense. The present perfect tense talks about action that has been started in past and still going now. Okay, that the actions in the present perfect tense means the action has been started in the past, but the work is going on now. Asa has gone to the shop. Means Asa has gone to the shop means Asa is in the shop and she hasn't come back. Means Asa is in the shop and she has not returned to her home. Okay, now see. Pooja has lived in this house for 3 years. Pooja has lived in this house in the past and still living here now. Okay. Pooja has lived in this house for 3 years means she is living here from the past, but still she is living here now. Now see, to make sentence in the present perfect tense, we use subject plus has or have plus verb in the past participle form. In the present perfect tense, what will be this format? First there will be the subject, and after subject we will use has or have. We have to see whether the words the have will be used or the has will be used. Then verb in the past participle form. Okay. Now see, we also use the present perfect tense to talk about an action we have just ended. I have just eaten my breakfast. Means I have eaten my breakfast. The moon has just appeared. Means just 5 minutes before the moon has been appeared. Okay. When the exact time of an action is not known, we don't know about the exact time. The work which has been done, we don't know that exact time. That time what we will see. I have met him once. Okay. We have known him to the generous. Now see, to describe a past event when we think more about its effect on the present. Okay. I have lost the key to the house, so I cannot open the door. I have lost the key of this house and so I can't open the door. He has torn his trouser. Means he has torn his trousers, so he cannot wear them. Means his trouser has been torn, so he cannot wear that trouser. Okay. We often use words like just, recently, already with the present perfect tense if the action has just taken place. Okay, sometimes we use these words just recently already when the action has been already taken place. Okay, now see. Study the given table to show how we form the arithmetic, negative and interrogative form of the present perfect tense. Arithmetic, subject plus has, have plus past participle form of verb. I have worked. Okay, see here we have used ed of the verb. You have worked. He, she, it has worked. We have worked. They have worked. Okay. Subject plus has, have, not past and past participle form of a verb. So it is a negative sentence. That's why we will use not for. Okay. I haven't worked. You haven't worked. He, she, it hasn't worked. We haven't worked. They haven't worked. Okay. Interrogative. Has, have. In the negative and in the arithmetic, the has, have we were using after the subject, but in the interrogative sentence, has or have will be used before the subject. Okay, she has or have plus subject plus past participle form of the verb. Have I worked? Question mark. Have you worked? Question mark. Has he, she, it worked? Question mark. Have we worked? Question mark. Have they worked? Question mark. Okay, learn this. The past participle form of regular verb is the same as they used in the simple past tense form. Okay. Regular verb, talk. In the past form talked, in the past participle form talked. Okay, these two will be the same. Okay, fixed, fixed. Call, called, called. Try, tried, tried. See, these two are the same. But in the irregular, these two forms, the past form and the past participle form will be the different. Okay, the past participle form for irregular verb is not the same as those used in the simple past tense form. Okay, see here regular verbs are given. Forget in the past form forgot, in the past participle form forgotten. Okay, come, came, come. Go, went, gone. Drive, drove, driven. Okay, learn this. Okay, let's see next. Fill in the blanks with the simple past tense form of the word given in the box. Here is some words have been given. We have to write these words in the past form, in the simple past tense. Okay, Tarun Dash wrote a story about a family that travels to a class. Okay, so here wrote in the form wrote. Sudhir was excited when he dashed the broad game. What will be happen when he brought that broad game? Father drove carefully in the storm. Meera chose to do her homework before dinner. Tina drawn herself as she looked in the mirror. We won many books from the book fair last week. Okay, now see. Take the correct word to complete the sentence. Have or has you brought a new dictionary? Have you brought a new dictionary? Have you ever visited your family in Mysore? I have finished tidying up my cupboard. My sister has read a lot since morning. It's only 8 p.m. and Rosie has already slept. We have given all our old books to the children who need them. Okay. Thank you.